technique of doing a cover. Now that is me as a baby, and there's a big water patch there, so I have to redo this. So this is a self-healing journal that I've started. I haven't done much in because I'm procrastinating, and I think it's because it's going to bring up a lot of old crap that I've been procrastinating. But I've been doing a lot of things written, so I'm going to actually put it in the journal now. I've been thinking of pages that I can do. So I've pulled this out, and Laura's helped me to pull this out as well, to show you this cover that I did for it. And as you can see, I've got some lovely ribbon and lace there, so it sort of makes it a bit more inviting. Now this was just a black journal. I can't take it out because I think you can see I've actually tied the ribbon inside, so I can't take it out. So it's just a plain black covered journal. I don't know if you can see, maybe you probably can't. But I have found another one similar. This is just an old journal of mine, and I had a go at just making a cover. I haven't decorated it. So all this is a piece of paper, and it's out of this sketchbook. So it's 150 GSM, and the size is around 30 centimeters by 42. Okay, so these books are really good if you can get a sketchbook like that. Because you can make journal covers, or you can, you know, rip them up and stick them in your book to reinforce your pages if your pages are a bit thin. So what I've done is I don't know if you can see, can see that properly, so I'll just move it around so you can see it. So what I have done is put your book in the centre of the page. So I'll just move it around so you can see that's the centre of the page. And then I've just gone around with a pencil and marked it. Okay, oh sorry, and just marked it around there. Taking that off, alright, the first thing you need to do is fold on the line at the bottom, and then again at the top, so that's where the line is, fold. If you have a, I think they're called something folders. I've only just recently got this one because I was using scissors. So you can use your scissors just to get a nice straight, or the bone folder, I'm pretty sure that's called. And these are really good for art journaling if you make your own journals, which is what I'm looking into. So fold that across there, and then you'll see you have your lines from the edges. Take it to about there. So that's what, about 2 centimeters, and the same on the other page, and fold it that way. So folding it that way, get your, rip that, no, it doesn't, that way, and then that side there, and do that again. So then you will have your page looking as such, okay? And the same on that side. What you do then is you keep the top and the bottom folded down, okay? Get your book. You probably already know this. I think this is an old school book cover technique. And I don't know if you can see, just slip it in there, and that side, and then this one, flip him around, and you'll have to sort of hold your book up and then put it in that way, and that will slip in. Now it will be a little bit loose, but when you shut it, it will fit nice and snug. And then you have a cover, okay? So you can see where I folded it on the line because I'd forgotten how to do this, but I needed a bit more room to make room for the spine. So then you've got this beautiful cover that you can then decorate like this one. So, you know, if I wreck that, if I get sick of it, if I hadn't done the lace, I could take that off and you know, do a different cover down the track. But I'm going to leave this one on because I do like it. And I'll just show you quickly as well with your journals. Now, so you see that I've got just masking tape and reinforced the with Pages Meet, because when you put a lot of water or product on there, they can get quite weak and rip. So I suggest, yeah, just do the masking tape, and you can paint over that and you really don't see it. So I've got masking tape in this one and you can't see it at all. So I did